You're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep. I can feel the tension. Another bottle of this wine, I'll be up in your space, loving affection. Ain't got nothing on me.
Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm here with Red, and I have a completely different setup from my usual setup. Two of them are going to be flashes that are going to be triggered with my trigger, the Godox trigger, and then the other one is an LED in the back, just serving as a prop, but also going to be adding like a rim light to here. I'm also going to be using a 5D Mark IV and then 85mm 1.4 because I want to compress the background, and I also just want to make sure that she's filling up the frame a lot. We're not going to be doing a full body shot. It's going to be like a really tight or 3/4 portrait, and so like I want you to be able to see her like in the entire frame when I'm shooting. 85 is going to be the perfect focal length, especially for what I'm doing. I'm going to run you through my lighting setup. So I have my 8600 BM in a beauty dish, and I'm using this because I want to get that contrasty light. And for this time, I've also put the light really close to her. It's not really far. And the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want a lot of the light to hit the background. Alright, so that's our light number one. I'm using my strip box as a rim light, but in this case, I'm using it to throw a little bit of light onto the background because of how dark it is. Remember I said this light is really close, so it doesn't reach the background, meaning that it's going to go like really dark. And when I'm doing a test shot, you see it. So I'm just throwing this across the background just to add a little bit of light or pop so it can separate her from the background. Now my half light that I mentioned earlier on is going to be my Godox SL60, and it's set to full power now and is in a cone, so I can focus the light like just around here and a little bit on our prop here. So that basically is the lighting setup, and I also have like the light hitting her on the side, rimming her out really nicely. Now I have my canvas backdrop in the background. I have two of them, and the reason why I'm using two is I just wanted it to feel more like an enclosed space that we're shooting in, and also I didn't want a lot of the light. You know, my space is white. I didn't want the light to travel and bounce off the white and fill up the room. I wanted it to look very moody. So adding this darker color to the side is going to be absorbing any spills from my main light and then keep the mood contrasty and a little bit dark. And that's what I'm looking for. So I'm hoping all of these things balance out as I've imagined. And I'm gonna start doing the test shots and then showing you what each light is doing, and then add all of them and then show you the results basically. So stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'm gonna start shooting right now. Are you ready? Okay, so I have turned off the light. So this is group A on the trigger, and then the other light in the back is in group B. I have a remote for that, but I'll manually turn it off. So I've turned these two off right now. We're just gonna see what the LED is doing. Okay, so red. Try and keep the pose the same, especially because I just want to like them to see exactly what's happening. So keep that pose. Okay, so this is just the LED. I'm going to turn that off, and then I'll show you what the strip box is doing. So this is off now. And the strip box is in group B. I can turn that on the trigger, and it's at 1/8 power. So take another test. All right, so you can see exactly what that is doing. So I'm going to turn on the LED and show you the LED plus the strip box, what you're doing. All right, so now I'm going to turn off both lights. So I'm going to turn off the group B and turn off the LED. So I'm going to turn on my group A light. Stunning. Okay, so now you've seen what the lights are doing. I'm going to turn on my group B light and then the LED, and then show you what all the lights are doing combined. So I'm turning on my group B light from the trigger, and then turning on the LED. I'll take a shot. Okay. Perfect. So now you can see exactly what is happening. We have all these lights working together now and then creating this image. So yeah, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous actually. Stunning. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. Hold that. So instead of looking straight at me also, you can turn your head a little and then raise your chin up. And then look at my hand. Yeah, just keep your eyes right there. Okay, keep that. Okay, now bring your eyes to the camera. Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Now I'm also noticing that it looks like there's so much shadow on the other side, so I'll just move the light a little bit to where where my shooting angle is. Okay. Perfect. I want to get a little bit more folds here, so you can like raise it. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, keep that. Yeah, you can like this a lot more. That was nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's perfect.
Too deep. I think I learned my lesson. You can love somebody else until you're loving yourself. I need some direction before we dive into these sheets. Maybe on another day, I'd encourage you to make me stay, but baby, I'm just trying to numb my brain and wrap my head around this whole thing. When you're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed, baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna die.
Alright, so today I'm giving to Red to sign out.
Hey guys, that is it for this wonderful, amazing photo shoot. I had an amazing time here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful as well. Be sure to subscribe, comment. Oh, by the way, make sure you hit that bell button, I beg, to be receiving more of this amazing photographers good stuff. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys all in another video very soon. And don't give up.
Don't ever give up.
Do not ever give up. Don't ever give up. Charlie, that is real. Don't ever give up. That is it. Thank you for watching.